Well, it's a first alert weather night, and this is kind of one of those nights where everybody in the Metroplex sees that one big storm that's kind of moving across, the one you've been tracking, right? We're going, please, please.
We need the rain.
And just a few people got that, but that's not the end of the story, right?
Yeah, we have more on the way for later on tonight. So the threat is there, and of course, we never want severe storms to move through, but we do need the rain. Let's take a live look outside right now from our Dallas cam and also our Fort Worth City cam. You can see in the Dallas side camera, that's where we do actually have some more heavy rain that's continuing to fall for us, but through parts of Tarrant County. The Fort Worth sky cam seeing well, partly cloudy skies for right now. So as we take a look at what's going on for us, as we go through the remainder of the evening hours, you're able to see that we have the alert that remains in place. These strong to severe storms are going to be possible. We're going to be looking at them forming ahead of the dry line that's mainly out towards the west, timing about 8 o'clock until about 1 for these storms out west to move their way in. A few storms are going to be possible also in the morning hours. So what are we talking about? What are the threats? Large hail and damaging winds. Those are the biggest threats with these storms that are going to be moving in for tonight. The tornado threat and the flooding threat remains low, so not a threat there at all. Take a look at the time lapse from our Dallas City cam. You're able to see that what we saw as we went through the day today. There's the heavy rain, and now it's continuing to see some more rain trying to make its way through parts of downtown Dallas. We've zoomed our radar down, and you can see some moderate rain through parts of Dallas, also along parts of 75. Some heavier rain moving its way on through. Same story if you're going to be traveling around. So please keep that in mind. Some heavy rain on the roads, giving yourself maybe a little bit of that ponding on the roadways. We have that one storm moving south and east. They've all dropped below severe limits, but heavy rain now continuing through parts of downtown Dallas, sliding its way southeastward. So let's give you more streets so you can get your bearings. We're seeing right now along 75, right along SMU, Alderson Street, you're seeing a little bit of heavy rain. North Garrett Avenue, some heavy rain moving through. Further down to the south and east, Combine, you have some of the heavy rain. Belindsey Road, you also have heavy rain moving through. So thankfully, these storms have dropped below severe limits, but they dropped a large amount of rain in a short amount of time. There's a flood advisory for parts of Dallas County. This is until about 8:45 because we've already seen as much as 1.5 inches to near 3.5 inches of rain or higher. But we're not done. At least the threat is there out towards the west. Dry line storms have developed. We will watch these storms as they push their way down to the southeast. First alert futurecast picking up on the rain and the storms possibly by 10 to near 11 to near closer towards midnight, moving back into the Metroplex. The threat is there of maybe some larger size hail and some damaging wind gusts. They should be weakening late tonight into the early morning hours, but still by 3, 4, 5 in the morning, we might see some more rain on the first alert radar. Meteorologist Ms. Brown will have a look at the radar for you in the forecast as we go towards our midweek. More rain by 9 to near 10 o'clock. So our rain chance is really going up to 50% by 11 to near midnight. Slight risk of severe storms does remain our northwest sides of North Texas, where we do have that severe thunderstorm watch until 11. Montague County down through parts of Jack County and northwest of that. Where are we sitting right now? 73 degrees at DFW with rain, cold air, and east wind at 26, gusting to 46 miles per hour. But we're at 92 in Fort Worth. You didn't see the rain. 89 in McKinney, 91 in Mesquite. That really paints the picture of where we have rain right now. We're still at 91 in Corsicana to 93 in Mineral Wells. All right, so your first alert 7-day forecast shows tonight down to 72, 94 tomorrow, rain chances 30%, 95 Thursday and Friday. More rain and storms this week, and we will see a better chance of rain and storms on Sunday. 92 for your high. Sunday night, some storms around Monday and Tuesday, right near the 90-degree mark. You're watching us right here on CBS News Texas. We'll be right back.